Our Serene screen for Windows, awesome product, but on a very rare occasion it gets jammed in that when you pull the mesh down it no longer retracts back up. It could be at the bottom, it could be halfway, and that's because inside there, usually, it's because there's a bearing that gets locked. It's important for installs and repairs, but day-to-day use is not, and is a problem when it engages. Now, I can show you how that bearing works by putting it upside down, and there we go, it's no longer pulling the mesh up. To release it, I just need to jog that mesh down and it should retract itself back up. Sometimes though, the screen's at the bottom, like that, and it'll put that bearing in there. At the bottom, and it won't retract itself back up. So in this case, the simplest way to fix it is to sort of manually lift that bar up. That gives you enough space to grab some mesh with the bar, and then just give it a jog, and it'll pull itself back up. So it's just jogging that, pulling that mesh back down a little bit, and it will get it back into gear. If that continually happens, it's an issue, and we can repair it, but normally it's once in a blue moon, or never at all, but that's how you can quickly fix it.